my favorite food and how I make it. Hello everyone, how are you? Today I want to tell you what my favorite food is and how I make it, because I think talking about food is also a great way to practice English, learn vocabulary, and share something personal. Uh, the truth, the truth is I like almost all kinds of fried meat. It can be pieces of kitchen, beef, pork, or even fish. I like it when it's crispy and golden on the outside and and juicy, juicy on the inside. For me, fried meat has a delicious flavor uh, mm, and a texture I really enjoy. On the other hand, I'm not a big fan of food with a lot of lemon. I don't like that very sour taste. The only exception is when the food also has a lot of chili or spice. Uh, in that case, I do like it because the spiciness spiciness balances the flavor. Now, uh, now, I'll tell you how I prepare my favorite fried meat. First, I cut the meat into medium-sized pieces uh, and season with salt, garlic, mm, uh, pepper, and sometimes a bit of uh, cumin or paprika. Then I let it sit for a few minutes so it can absorb the flavor. After that, I heat oil in a pan and fry the meat until it's golden and crispy on the outside. Uh, I like it well cooked, but not dry. Sometimes I serve it with rice, French fries, or a simple salad without lemon. It's a very simple dish, but it makes me happy. It's easy to prepare, it gives me energy, and it always leaves me satisfied. Satisfied. And that's my favorite food and how I make it. Now, I want to know, what's your favorite food? Do you like spicy food like I do? Let me know in the comments. If you're watching this video to practice English, thanks for joining me once again. See you in the next one.